Let's do the technical schedule instead. So again, layout, schedule. Here we go. So when we get to the schedule, we can put as much or as little information as we want in there. Again, going back to what we were saying before, this is to suit you or to suit your client or whatever the project dictates. But you've got this option of all these different elements going into your schedule, and you can obviously decide how they go as well. So if you scroll down here, you've got all sorts of different options. You can put in whatever you want to, latent output if you wanted to. We look at, where are we? Water, for example. And there's options here as well. So all these different options with cold water, which you can select, deselect, add in, whatever you want to do, and so on and so forth. Same with electrical, same with gas. You can put in as much or as little as you want that works for you. And then obviously you can save this as your standard default setting. Let's create that. A little bit big for my my space because I put so much information on there. But the point is, and this is what I was getting to, nor ordinarily the creation of a technical schedule, service schedule, whatever you want to call it, is the most time consuming, the most irritating task of the whole process, because you're cross-referencing what's on the drawing to what's in the quote, to what's in the manufacturer's information, to what's on the internet, which may be different. And you've got to make sure you're getting all the information respective to all the items that you put into your design, to make sure they're all correct, all accurate, and they don't contradict each other. Because if you get it wrong, then the M&E guys on site may end up putting the wrong thing in. They'll blame you. You'll get charged a fortune. What we've done here, with literally a click of a mouse, is got an accurate, up-to-date, complete technical services schedule, which you can put, like I said, whatever you want to put in there, as much or as little information as you want to, for the MEP guys to look at and deal with accordingly. Now, you can have as many of these as you want to. So you can have a specific one for the electrical, you can have a specific one for the gas, and so on and so forth. And you can save those as your templates and just click on electrical. It comes up with what it is, put it in straight away, it's done. It's saving, well, in certain circumstances, hours in the process. And think what you can be doing with that time that you're saving. It's just, you know, this in itself, for me, justifies the cost of going for the Specifi Design plugin. It's just brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Excellent. So, and also, of course, what you want to be able to do is when you make changes to your design, you need to be able to update that as you go along, and it absolutely does that. So you go to schedule, you can refresh the schedule. So you make your changes, you add bits, you add areas, refresh the schedule, and then it does it for you. So again, you don't have to worry about getting things wrong or missing out something when you make a change or make a revision. It's there for you. It's so straightforward. It makes your life so much more easy.